What's happening, mi gente? It's Louis the Boiler Man, your HVAC Papa here. Guys, we're in Elmhurst, Queens, New York, and we're replacing a boiler block. That's right, guys. What is a boiler block? The block is basically the heart of the boiler, which you see right here. So we're actually salvaging all the controls. Some of them are replaced, some of them are maybe resalvaging, try to keep that cost down. So guys, it's a lot of work, you know.
Your boiler, and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, all winter long. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, till the cold is gone. Wepa!
So what I like to do is actually mark everything. As you can see, I marked the pressure control, the manual reset control, the low water cutoff, the power to the burner. Why am I also marking them down? Because it's the exact replacements. We're actually going to replace them with the same boiler, same block. So we don't want to make a mistake, so it makes life so much easier. And of course, I always take pictures and videos of everything. And guys, whenever you do a job like this, you want to make a notation. I don't care if you write it on your forehead, on your ass, take notes, whatever it is, but write it down, mark it, because it makes life so much easier. And when you put everything back together, you know where they go. And guys, the faster you get it done, the faster you make money, the faster the job gets done, right? Because it's going to get cold, it's going to get bitter cold this weekend. And we need to bring the heat, baby. So stay tuned, watch the process, whip out. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Woo!
Solo llama a Louis Hvac, ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis Hvac, ya llegó el aire. Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. It's Louis the Boiler Man, your HVAC Bobby, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep you cool all summer long. Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Wepa!
All right, guys, we just finished disassembling the actual electric, and we're disassembling the boiler at the same time. So removing all the electrical wire, the connections, and we guys can see, we just bringing it back to a burner. And guys, it's step by step by step. I make sure everything is marked. I make sure I take pictures and videos and make sure I don't make any mistakes. Listen, that's how you avoid making mistakes. So guys, stay tuned. Another day with Louis the Boiler Man. Wepa!
Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. It's Louis the Boiler Man, your HVAC Bobby, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York boiler keep you cool all summer long. Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Wepa! Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis Hvac, ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis Hvac, ya llegó el aire. Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. It's Louis
All right, guys, you guys can see we're almost done. We still got 2 more sections to go. And guys, this shit is heavy. I can't explain it any other way. So guys, this is what it takes. When people ask me about boiler installations, boiler removals, boiler demolition, especially on a commercial grade boiler, guys, it's a lot involved, and that's what we charge. When people who are watching, if you're watching, if you have a commercial building, when people start saying, "Oh my God, why is it so expensive?" Well, you think it's easy? Come do the shit yourself. Because each one of these sections is about 1,200 pounds. You think you can do it? Papa, nobody wants to do this work. So that's what we charge. That's why we try to be also very careful, because we want nobody to get hurt. It is one step at a time, because again, if this thing lands on your foot, you don't want to know what's going to happen after. So guys, safety is first. And hey, we're almost there. We got another day to go, maybe 1 or 2 days, depending how things go. But we projected this project to take 2 to 3 days. So stay tuned, guys. Just another day with Louis the Boiler Man here in the boiler room. Wepa!
Llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a ponerlo tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.